I am thrilled to welcome you all to the HACCP 2025 breastfeeding event. It's an honor to stand before such a dedicated group of attendees who share a common goal to promote the health and well-being of our infants and mothers in our community. Today, we gather not just to celebrate breastfeeding, but to embrace the fundamental role it plays in fostering healthy generations. Breastfeeding is not merely a personal choice, it is a powerful public health imperative. It provides the perfect nutrition for newborns, strengthens their immune systems, and lays the foundation for lifelong health benefits.
Ang HACCP is an event for breastfeeding mothers. August is Breastfeeding Month, and we want to celebrate and promote breastfeeding as part of our daily lives because breastfeeding should be normalized sa araw-araw natin na buhay for our babies. We have a couple of lecturers for our mothers to talk about nutrition, to talk about family planning. And we have giveaways for our moms, fun prizes, and awards for our mothers.
Sir, happy ako na nagkaroon ng mga ganitong activity, lalong-lalo na sa aming mga breastfeeding mom. So, yung expectation ko today, sir, is magkaroon pa ng maraming knowledge about sa breastfeeding. Thank you so much po sa Howard Harvard na nagkaroon ng mga ganitong event, lalong-lalo na po sa aming mga mommies po. Maraming salamat.
Yung mga lectures for today will increase the awareness of the mothers to continue breastfeeding for their babies to be healthy, and also for the mothers, makakatulong din sa family planning at sa health din.
Magkakaroon ng instant immune system yung bata. Maano yung ma-boost yung immune system niya through breastfeeding. Yung pagkakasakit ng bata is madali lang siyang gagaling. Saka mainam talaga mag-full breastfeed po tayo. Maraming salamat sa pagkandak ng ganitong program na makaka-avail kami at mapapalaganap din namin yung gusto nyo ipalaganap.
Kaya ang breast milk nato, naana siya ready-made nga antibody para sa ilaha. Aron dili sila magsigig sakit-sakit. Kaya ang antibody sa ilahang mama, mahatag nila na sa ilahang anak. So, ang dili na mo gina-encourage ang formula because aside from the cost, ang pag-prepare, kinanglan pa sterilize, while ang breastfeeding milk, ready-made na siya, dili na kakailangan mag-sterilize, and cost-effective pa siya.
Kasi yung reason ng iba, kapag ka-working mothers, mahirap mag-exclusive breastfeed kay baby. So may mga paraan, kumonsulta lang sa mga health centers, sa mga midwife, paano mag-express ng milk and kung paano i-preserve yung milk para tuloy-tuloy yung pagsuso ng baby.
Ang hilot is very important also kasi isa yan siya ka-techniques nga kung may problema ang usa ka nanay sa pagpagawa sa iyang gatas. Kasi lalo na kung mga first timer, no, lisod kay magpagawa sa iyang gatas, og may engorgement kanang nagahubag ang tutoy kay hindi mapagawas ang iyahang gatas. usa na siya ka technique, mao na nga naakita hilot diri ang ato ang kuan sa likod, no? Hiluto na siya diri para man nga mo-flow ang iyaha nga gatas.
Thank you no sa kanang nakaisipan ni nga event kay kanang ang mga mommies na ay makuha ideas about sa unsa ka important ang pag-breastfeeding sa ilang mga baby. Thank you so much sa Howard Hubbard sa pag-organize ani na event. Daghan po matabangan ng mga mommies and maka-learn po as well.
Malaking tulong po siya because this is a mass event, no? So, kung marami tayong ma-inform na kababaihan, mas tataas po yung access sa services, access sa information. So, malaking tulong po siya para sila po ay makareceive ng services from the Provincial Health Office. Makakatulong po sa tinatawag nating contraceptive prevalence rate or sa demand satisfied na kung saan outcome indicator po siya upang makamit natin yung reduction of maternal mortality. We are very thankful po together with the Integrated Provincial Health Office and the Rural Health Unit of Polomolok that Howard Hubbard, our ever consistent partner on health, has provided this platform. We do hope that this will continue in the next years and that it will be integrated with other health services.
Sa Howard Hubbard, thank you very much kasi first time namin mag-attend ng ganitong event. At saka salamat sa mga organizers, mga stakeholders na naki-join sa ganitong event.
Your commitment to nurturing the next generation is truly inspiring. Together, we create a culture that prioritizes and normalizes breastfeeding within our communities. Let us also take a moment to reflect on the partnerships forged through this event. Collaboration between healthcare institutions, local governments, and community organizations is essential for addressing the needs of our families effectively. We can facilitate access to resources, education, and support system that empower mothers to successfully breastfeed their children.
Start sa Howard Hubbard and I can attest nga ang ilahang services gikan sa una and until now dako kayo nga tabang. And ni-improve pa karon because of mga dugang na services, dugang na specialties. Dili na kinahanglan mo adtong Jensan ang ato ang mga pasyente kay naa na tay mga opta na ENT. So in short, ang Jensan murag gidala na diri sa Canary. And so with the collaborating hospitals, magaling, no? Magaling ang activity ngayon. Congratulations to all of us.